Hey, what's the deal, y'all? Back with another episode, but this time we're gonna switch it up a little bit. Anybody who knows me know I usually don't talk about fashion or any type of clothing or things like that. I love talking about branding, motivation, and content and shit like that. So this is a different one for me, but if you stick around, hopefully you get something out of it. Let's get it.
It's nothing wrong with following your dreams. The only thing that matters is the people that you impact. When you die, content is the only thing you can leave behind. If you're not inspiring other people, what are you doing here? Sometimes you just gotta find that motivation within. You gotta want it bad enough, man. I feel like happiness is more important than money. What are you actually passionate about?
All right, what up, y'all? So this episode, man, I had to get this video out, man, because the other day I was doing some research online, man, just kind of looking for some casual sneakers to wear. As a videographer, you know, obviously we're on our feet a lot, so I want something comfortable that I can navigate in. But also, if I'm at an event or some type of formal function, I want to actually look casual and kind of fit in with the guests, as opposed to looking like a street videographer or something like that. But anyways, guys, I came across the brand new 4.0 from Cole Haan, and I gotta tell y'all, man, I'm in love with these shoes. I don't know what's wrong with me, because these shoes have been getting a lot of negative flack online and like on the internet. People actually hate the design of these shoes, man, but I'm in love with it, man. Like, outside of like the craftsmanship of this shoe, man, it's very comfortable. That's one thing that's important. And you know, often, you know, talk about the importance of branding. The thing that Cole Haan did, like if you go on any of Cole Haan's pages, they'll tell you what they brand represent. Their brand is specifically for people who work for what they believe in. Even if you don't know anything about the brand mission, that don't mean it don't disqualify me for buying their sneakers. But when you relate to the belief system that another brand has, it resonates, and you're that much more prone to buy from that brand. So Cole Haan, you know, obviously we share similar belief systems. They make shoes for people who work for what they believe in. And I'm somebody who works for what I believe in. I do what I love. And but this shoe, man, just look at this design for a second here, man. Super, super comfortable. One of the things that was really bothering me online is like nobody likes them. Like they say, obviously, obviously I haven't had like the previous versions of the Cole Haans. Like I'm new to this world, or RAM, or whatever you want to call it. But I really like this design. Like I know the old Oxfords was cool and y'all was in love with those and they made a lot of noise out there in the market. But man, I'm telling y'all, give these shoes a chance, man. Just like, dude, like the build quality in these things, dude. Like, and this is not like me. So anybody who knows me and watching this video, y'all probably very surprised. Like, what the hell is he worshiping a damn shoe for, right? Like, man, look, don't fucking judge me. I'm just doing what I love. And like I said, one of the things that really sparked me to do this video is that nobody's out there talking about these shoes, man. These shoes, dude, I feel like has the potential to be revolutionary. Now, they are a little bit expensive. I think they're about $200 a pair. That's what I paid. So, but quality build, man. Handcrafted product here, dude. Like, why is so much of the shoe inside of the sole, though? Like, that's what I didn't notice, right? It's so weird to me, man. But if you're somebody who's looking to have more of a casual appearance, you're looking to set a certain tone when people look at you when you walk into that room, you want people to take you serious from a business standpoint, I totally recommend getting you a pair of these Oxfords, man. These Cole Haan 0.Grands. I promise you, you will not regret buying these sneakers, dude. And I'm not getting paid. This video is not sponsored. Cole Haan don't know I'm doing this video, but fuck, man. This sneaker deserves a real chance. Like, I was so in love with the build quality of shoes that I actually had to buy another pair. Don't judge me. I'm just living my life. I ended up grabbing something a little bit more casual that, you know what I'm saying, that I can fit right into. So I grabbed the British tan pair. But like I said, man, the soles of these shoes says something. Like, the messages in the sole, the build quality of the sole, the rubber technology that they use in these shoes, man. But like I said, dude, I don't typically do these videos, man, but I'm in love. I found something that I truly value, so I just decided, why not, right? Why not? So, man, give them a chance, dude. Check them out online. I'm in love, dude. I cannot say enough about these shoes, man. And I'm embarrassed. I need y'all to understand, I'm embarrassed doing this video talking about something that's material. I don't usually value material things, man, but being in the film world, getting behind the camera more, understanding what's more appealing to the eye, I'm starting to get more conscious or more aware of what sets a specific type of tone that I want to set when I walk into the room, or what sets a specific type of tone when you watch my film. I'm learning what colors makes the most sense sense to invoke certain moods. I don't know what kind of mood this color invokes, but from the research I was doing, you know, brown, this is tan in this case, a British tan. That's a genuine shade. Like if you type in the word genuine on Google and then go to images, you'll see more brown tones. You'll see more tones of this color. Man, I am, like I said, I'm so proud of these sneakers, man. If you're looking for something casual to just fit in, but it's also gonna last you for a couple of years, I totally recommend these shoes, man. Just off the reviews that I read, people telling me the shoes last them for an extremely long time. I know somebody done walked 10 miles in a pair of Oxfords. Man, I can't say enough, but hey, that's it for this one, y'all. If you haven't already, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and give this video a like and also subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.